This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix a problem was detected with the True Depth Camera Face ID has been disabled issue on iPhone. Follow these easy and quick solutions to fix this issue. The first solution is check your Face ID working or not. To do that, we have to install an app. Go to your App Store, search for Check My Device and install this free app. Then launch the app. Scroll down. Here you will find Face ID test. Tap on it. Tap on Begin Test. Tap on OK. From here, you will be able to check your Face ID working or not. The second solution is reset your Face ID. Go to your settings, scroll down, tap on Face ID and passcode. Scroll down, tap on Reset Face ID and then check the issue. The third solution is update iOS. Go to your settings, scroll down, tap on General, tap on Software Update. If you see any update available, then update your iOS and check the issue. The last and final solution is reset all settings. Open your iPhone settings, scroll down, tap on General, scroll down, transfer or reset iPhone, reset all settings. Once done, hope this solution will fix the issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.